Dear students, in this video we will see types of starters and DOL starter. Okay. First, so types of starters, these are classified based on the technology and based on the methods what we are using inside the starters. Okay, already we have seen rotor current expression I2R is equal to S into E2 by root of R2 square plus S into X2 square. So here E2 is the induced EMF and R2 is the rotor resistance and X2 is the rotor reactance. So here, so if you see rotor current I2R is equal to S into E2 by root of R2 square plus S into X2 whole square. Okay, so this is the rotor current equation. So rotor current is depends on slip. So when at the time of starting, rotor will draws more amount of current, so which gives dangerous to the motor. So it may be winding will get damaged. To avoid that one, we need to use starters, right? So to control the starting current can be controlled by reducing E2, which is possible supplies reduced voltage at start by increasing the rotor resistance R2. Okay, so by reducing the voltage at the time of starting, so we can reduce the rotor current. So by that we can avoid the damages in induction motor, right? So the second method is possible only in case of slip ring induction motor. So rotor resistance, how we can increase it using the slip rings. So this can be possible only in slip ring induction motor, but squirrel cage induction motors is not possible. So that's what here we have various type of starters. So based on the starting methods, based on the starting, so here we have 5 type of starters: stator resistance starter, auto transformer starter, star delta starter, rotor resistance starter, direct online starter. Okay, so direct online starter is, so we here will connect directly to the supply, but this method is not possible for high rated induction motor, but low rated induction motor direct online starter is possible. So we will see all the types, how it will be works, what are the drawbacks and what are the advantages. Okay, first, direct online starter, so we can also call DOL starter. So in case of small capacity motors having less than 5 HP rating, the starting current is not much higher, the starting current is not larger, so such motors can withstand such starting current without any starter. So here this method is suitable for only less than 5 HP type induction motor. So starting current is not draws more high, and also so motors can withstand high starting current. So those type of situations we will use DOL starter. Such there is no need to reduce the voltage to control the starting current. Such motors used by type of starter, so which is used to connect starter directly. So here, so where the motor can withstand the large amount of current, there is those type of cases no need to apply the reduced voltage. So no need to apply reduced voltage. Such type of motors, so we can connect supply directly. So connect starter directly to the supply lines without any reduction in voltage. So hence starter is known as direct online starter. So the type of starter is called direct online starter. Okay. So now here we will see the circuit diagram of the DOL starter. So here if you see, direct online starter will have NO, NC, NO and NC buttons. So NO means normal open start button. NC means normally closed stop button. Normally open button is NO, NC means normally closed button. So here we can observe we have a 3-phase supply, stator conductor directly connected to the contacts. So contacts is connected. So when motor is under normal condition, these contacts will be close to the supply and stator conductors. So once motor get heat, so thermal over relay will have, so that relay will sense the temperature of the motor, so it will give signal to the magnetizing coil, that is a relay coil. So in this case, the normally open start will close, so it will be closed, then contacts will be open, contacts will move away from the supply contacts, so that we can protect our induction motor. So this type of method is useful only for small size, that is below 5 HP rating of the induction motors only. So here NO contact is normally open, NC contact is normally closed at start. NO is push for fraction of seconds, NY is push for fraction of seconds, due to which coil get energized and attack the contacts. Stator directly gets supply. So then motor will start, motor will run position. So when NC is pressed, so when coil is get demagnetized, and coil is get demagnetized, NC will get open. So this contacts get open. So magnetizing coil will automatically demagnetize and it will open. So this will move away from the, so this is a magnetizing coil, it will demagnetize. So these contacts will move away from the supply contacts. So by that we can protect our induction motor. So and also we have a temperature relay, that is thermal overload relay. So it will sense the temperature. So if it is beyond the limit, then also this normally closed stop button will be open. So this will demagnetize, magnetizing coil will demagnetize, contacts will be open. Okay, right. So in overload condition, over temperature condition and abnormal conditions, so this coil will demagnetize and protect the motor. Okay, right. And so this is about direct online starter. So in next video, so we will discuss about star delta starter and auto transformer starter. So these two methods are very important. So star delta starter and auto transformer starter, so we have a more advantages compared to DOL starter. So these type of starters we can use for high rating capacity induction motor, more than 5 HP type induction motors. We will use this method to start the induction motor. So this method of starting star, delta and auto transformer starting is, so it is more advantage and star delta starter is more effective, it is economical. So cost of the star delta starting method is very less compared to auto transformer starter. Okay, so only the drawback in star delta method is, so it is not useful for delta type induction motors. Auto transformer starter is which can use for both star type and delta type. So here in DOL starter is useful up to only less than 5 HP type induction motor. Okay, so to avoid that drawbacks, here we have star delta and auto transformer starter. Okay, so these methods we will discuss in next video. Okay, thank you everyone.